That time I thought a fan passed out at my show, but wait to see what actually happened.
Are you guys okay back there? Are you guys okay? Are you okay? Wait, stop. Can we turn the lights on for a second? Are you guys okay back there? What? Well, she's signing your tit. You guys had me worried. I thought someone was fucking passing out. But there's like 20 lights. There's 20 lights. I thought someone's fainting. Oh, someone else is signing your tit. You stealing the show away from me? You're taking the attention away? All right, come here. I'm gonna sign your tit so then I can carry on with my show. Please come forward. God damn it! You guys have me scared. What is that? Is that a phone number? Are people writing phone numbers on your tits? Alright, there you go. Alright, this is Sex with My Ex, bitches. Sing along.